Today we are making homemade taco seasoning. If you forgot to grab a packet at the store, you can make some at home, or you can stop buying the packets altogether. First, we need chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Then we need ground cumin. We'll need 1.5 teaspoons. Then we need sea salt, 1 teaspoon. Ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon. But some comments said there was quite a lot of black pepper, so I used 3/4 teaspoon. Then we need paprika, 1/2 teaspoon. Garlic, 1/4 teaspoon. Onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Crushed red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon. Another comment said the pepper flakes made this a little spicy, so I used 1/8 teaspoon, and then 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. So once you've measured out all of your ingredients, we're going to mix them all in a bowl. This recipe said that the amount of seasoning in 1 packet is equal to about 3 tablespoons of this seasoning recipe. I'm gonna measure out how much taco seasoning this recipe made. And it does work out to just about or slightly more than 3 tablespoons. So 1 recipe of this taco seasoning is equal to 1 packet that you'd buy at the store. Easy enough to make at home. If you liked this recipe for homemade taco seasoning and you'd like other homemade seasoning recipes, go ahead, click here on screen and check out my homemade fajita seasoning recipe. I'll see you guys there.